Hello. Today I'd like to read a selection from a collection of speeches and addresses given by Pope Francis. They were compiled in a book titled Believe in Love, Inspiring Words from Pope Francis, published by Franciscan Media. Today's selection is titled Jesus Lifts the Anguish from Our Heart. Today, Jesus says to each one, take courage. Do not give in to life's burdens. Do not close yourself off in the face of fear. Come to me. He awaits us. He always awaits us. Not to magically resolve problems, but to strengthen us amid our problems. Jesus does not lift the burdens from our life, but the anguish from our heart. He does not take away our cross, but carries it with us. And with him, every burden becomes light, because he is the comfort we seek.